Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and do not miss out on this awesome dish in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. As you can see right now, I got different stuff on the table and stuff. This is what we're going to be making. We're going to be making you guys an air fried baked potato. And it's going to be loaded in a Nuwave oven. Alright? So I got some frozen broccoli right here. This is fresh actually. I just freeze mine up when I buy it fresh. Alright, I have some bacon right here. You guys can see that. This is some cheese right here, some melted cheese. We're going to put that on there. See that? Alright. We have some butter over here. Sweet butter. Yeah, it's right here on here. Sweet butter. Alright, we have some pink sea salt. We have some black olives. We have some green onions. We have some black pepper. And right here, I have some granulated garlic. Okay? And over here, we have some potatoes. Pow, pow. That's what we're going to be putting up in this big bad boy right here. So I've just got 4 up here right now, but I got like 2 more I'm going to put in there. But I'm just showing you guys how to make this awesome dish in a minute. This is what we got. And we got sour cream by Daisy. Alright guys, let's jump into it. First you want to wash this off really good, okay? I leave the little water on there and all that good stuff, so when it get in there it's going to evaporate anyway. Alright, this Nuwave oven only go up to like 350. I'm going to put it on there for about 25 minutes, okay? Probably in between 25 to 30 minutes, but I'm going to check on it and I might flip them, okay? So you guys stay tuned in, and I see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Alright, I'll wash this off. Now some people, let me show you. For some people, you can poke, just dab it a little bit with a fork for these big potatoes like this. These ain't the biggest one I have, but these nice appropriate size for me. So you can stab them like this. I worked in many restaurants. I just wanted you guys to see this, okay? I'm just poking it just like this. That's all I'm doing, going around this whole potato, poking it. Alright? Alright, that was the last one. I didn't know if you guys can see that or not. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on top of there, excuse me, from getting in your way. Just like this. I didn't need the double extended ring because I'm going to let this cook. I mean, if I wanted to cook for a longer period of time, then I would probably use the double extended ring. Alright, we come up here. Let me see if I can get you guys to come up here. Okay, this is cooked. 350, that's high as it go. I can try to put it on 400, but it's going to go right to 350. So 350 is the highest you can go. Alright, so that's cook time right here. We want it on 25. We'll go 25 minutes, and then we'll push start. We'll let this cook and cook and cook till that gets all the way done. And I'll see you guys in the next step in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Check on these potatoes. Put that up there. And I can tell now, just by feeling them, they're not ready. So I'm going to flip these over and put it on another 25 minutes. I should have put it in my air fryer, but this is work like an air fryer as well. It just don't get as hot. So we're gonna go back to the cook time right here, 25 minutes. All right guys, see what that do. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Go check on this again. I dropped my, sorry about that. I had this cord wrapped around so it won't touch on this thing over here. So I had this what fell, my Worcestershire sauce. So let's, yep, see that one done. These big ones may take a little longer. That one's done. We'll take this one off. And that one's not done. That one's done. And I will take this one off, and this one off. Let these two big ones cook for a little bit longer. Okay, we'll put that in the center. Alright, we gotta worry about this. We already got our potatoes, what we're gonna do on this recipe. And I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back. So if you hear the noise in the background, remember that's just the Nuwave. We're just gonna go down the middle like this, guys. We're going to open these bad boys up just like this. Just like that. Alright. Now what I like to do is, I like to get some of this stuff out of there. Like this. Okay, because we got to butter this stuff up. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take some butter. Like a tablespoon of butter. You can use as much as you want. I think this should be enough. And then I just get to doing this where I take some salt, a pinch, just like this. A little of the granulated garlic. Just like this. Then I just get to working this around up in here. Take your little black pepper. Just like that, guys. The reason why I do that is because when you get down to the bottom and you discover you got a piece of potato that don't have no seasoning on it, don't that kind of make you mad a little bit? So now you got to go do it all over again. So that's why I do it like this, especially with the butter. Alright. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our bacon, put some bacon in there. Not a whole lot, but just enough. You can put much as you want in yours. Just like that. We're going to come in here with our cheese. Just like that. It's like a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon pretty much. Like that. And let me get your broccoli. And all I did with this broccoli is put a little lemon juice and a little salt on it. And you can just put your broccoli on there like that. It's gonna be for the kiddos. Alright, then I take a little bit more bacon. Just put it around it like so. And remember, we already got bacon in it. Alright. Alright, get my sour cream. Mix this up a little bit. So this is sour cream. Just put you a dollop on there. Preferably like a tablespoon. Alright. And we come with our black olives. You just place those in there. If you don't like black olive, guys, you don't have to have them. Alright, and we top it off with some onions. Just like this. Alright. This one back over here. Try to clean my plate up a little bit. Alright, let me see if I can show you guys this up close. There you go, guys. This is your baked potato, fully stuffed in a Nuwave oven. Alright. So if you guys like this recipe, please give me a like, a share, and a comment. And please subscribe to the channel and share me out. And please do watch my playlist. Try to find a bell. Okay? So, don't forget to hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Thank you for tuning in a minute.